Are you ready for a major turning point in the world of cryptocurrency? Look no further than Bitcoin, the pioneering digital currency that has taken the financial world by storm. With its soaring price, growing adoption, increasing decentralization, enhanced security measures, and improved infrastructure, Bitcoin is poised to revolutionize the way we think about money. In this video, we will delve into 5 compelling reasons why Bitcoin is at a major turning point. So hold on tight as we explore the exciting developments that are propelling Bitcoin into uncharted territory. Bitcoin's price is rising. Bitcoin's price has been on a remarkable upward trajectory, capturing the attention of investors worldwide. The cryptocurrency's value has experienced significant growth in recent years, reaching unprecedented heights. This surge in price is one of the key indicators that Bitcoin is at a major turning point. But what exactly is driving this remarkable rise? Well, there are several factors at play. Increased institutional interest and adoption have played a crucial role in boosting Bitcoin's price. Major financial institutions and corporations are now recognizing the potential of cryptocurrencies as an asset class, leading to higher demand and subsequently driving up prices. Additionally, limited supply plays a significant part in the rising value of Bitcoin. With only 21 million coins set to ever exist, scarcity adds to its allure and drives up demand among investors seeking a hedge against inflation or economic uncertainty. Furthermore, the growing popularity of decentralized finance, DeFi, has also contributed to Bitcoin's surging price. DeFi offers individuals greater control over their finances by eliminating intermediaries like banks and allowing for peer-to-peer transactions using cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. As more people become aware of these developments and recognize Bitcoin's potential as a store of value or investment opportunity, it fuels further buying pressure and propels its price even higher. Bitcoin's adoption is growing. Bitcoin's adoption is experiencing a remarkable surge, indicating that we are witnessing a major turning point for this digital currency. The growing acceptance and integration of Bitcoin into various sectors is certainly noteworthy. One reason for Bitcoin's increasing adoption is its ability to provide financial inclusion to individuals who previously had limited access to traditional banking systems. With Bitcoin, anyone with an internet connection can participate in the global economy and make transactions securely and efficiently. Furthermore, more businesses are beginning to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. This not only adds credibility and legitimacy to the cryptocurrency but also allows consumers the freedom to choose how they want to transact. As more merchants embrace Bitcoin, it becomes increasingly easier for individuals to use their digital assets in everyday life. In addition, governments around the world are starting to recognize the potential benefits of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Some countries have even taken steps towards regulating and integrating digital currencies into their existing financial systems. This recognition from authorities further contributes to the growing adoption of Bitcoin on a global scale. Moreover, technological advancements have made it easier than ever for individuals to buy, sell, and store Bitcoin securely. User-friendly platforms and wallets have simplified the process while ensuring enhanced security measures such as two-factor authentication and encryption protocols. There has been an increase in institutional interest in Bitcoin as well. Major companies and investment firms are now considering adding cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin into their portfolios due to its potential long-term value growth. All these factors combined indicate that we are entering a new era where Bitcoin is being embraced by both individuals and institutions alike. The growing adoption not only solidifies its position as a viable alternative asset but also paves the way for mainstream acceptance in the future. Bitcoin is becoming more decentralized. Bitcoin is experiencing a significant shift towards decentralization, and this development is one of the major turning points for the cryptocurrency. Decentralization refers to the distribution of power and control away from a central authority, and it has several implications for Bitcoin's future. As more individuals and businesses participate in the Bitcoin network, it becomes increasingly difficult for any single entity to exert dominance or manipulate its operations. This decentralized nature ensures that no third party can unilaterally change the rules or compromise transactions within the system. Decentralization enhances privacy and security by reducing vulnerability to attacks. With multiple nodes spread across different locations, it becomes harder for hackers or malicious actors to target specific points of failure. The distributed ledger technology behind Bitcoin allows everyone on the network to verify transactions independently, making it highly resistant to fraud. Moreover, as more people join the network as miners or node operators, they contribute computational power necessary for maintaining transaction records. This increased participation strengthens Bitcoin's infrastructure and makes it more resilient against potential disruptions. Additionally, decentralization promotes financial inclusivity by providing access to those who are unbanked or underbanked. In regions with limited banking services, individuals can use Bitcoin as an alternative form of currency without relying on traditional financial institutions. Decentralized governance gives every participant a voice in decision-making processes concerning upgrades or changes to the protocol. This democratic approach fosters innovation while preventing monopolies from controlling Bitcoin's evolution. Bitcoin is becoming more secure. Security has always been a major concern when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin is no exception. However, recent developments in the Bitcoin ecosystem have made it more secure than ever before. One of the key reasons for this increased security is the growing number of institutional investors entering the market. These players bring with them advanced security measures and rigorous compliance protocols that help protect against fraud and theft. Their involvement also adds credibility to Bitcoin as an investment asset. Additionally, advancements in technology have led to improved security features within the Bitcoin network itself. The implementation of multi-signature wallets, for example, requires multiple keys to authorize transactions, making it much harder for hackers to gain unauthorized access. Furthermore, the increasing use of hardware wallets has provided users with an extra layer of protection. These physical devices store private keys offline, reducing the risk of online attacks or malware compromising sensitive information. Another aspect contributing to enhanced security is the growing emphasis on regulation and oversight by governments around the world. While many see government intervention as contrary to cryptocurrency principles, it does provide a level of legitimacy and accountability that can deter criminal activities. There has been a rise in cybersecurity companies specializing in protecting digital assets such as Bitcoin. These firms offer services like secure storage solutions and real-time monitoring systems that detect suspicious activity on blockchain networks. The evolving landscape surrounding Bitcoin security provides reassurance for both individual users and institutions looking to participate in this digital revolution. As adoption continues to grow and innovative technologies emerge, we can expect even greater levels of security within the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin's infrastructure is improving. Bitcoin's infrastructure is constantly evolving and improving, which is a key factor in its major turning point. The development of Bitcoin's infrastructure has paved the way for increased adoption and usability of this digital currency. One aspect of Bitcoin's infrastructure that has seen significant improvement is its scalability. In the early days, there were concerns about the ability of the network to handle a large number of transactions. However, with advancements such as segregated witness, SegWit, and the Lightning Network, Bitcoin can now process more transactions per second and reduce congestion on the blockchain. Another area where Bitcoin's infrastructure has made strides is in terms of user experience. Wallets have become more user-friendly and intuitive, making it easier for newcomers to navigate the world of cryptocurrencies. Additionally, exchanges have improved their security measures to protect users' funds from hacks or theft. Furthermore, regulatory frameworks surrounding Bitcoin are also being developed to provide clarity and support for businesses operating within this space. This helps foster trust among investors and encourages wider acceptance by traditional financial institutions. Moreover, improvements in privacy features have been implemented into various aspects of Bitcoin's infrastructure. Advances like confidential transactions allow users to keep their financial information private while still participating in transparent transactions on the blockchain. These ongoing developments in Bitcoin's infrastructure are crucial factors driving its major turning point. As it becomes more scalable, user-friendly, secure, regulated, and privacy-focused, we can expect continued growth and mainstream adoption for this revolutionary digital asset. Bitcoin is undeniably at a major turning point, and there are 5 key reasons why this cryptocurrency is poised for even greater success in the future. Bitcoin's price is steadily rising. The recent surge in value has caught the attention of investors worldwide, signaling renewed confidence and interest in this digital asset. As more people recognize its potential as a store of value and medium of exchange, demand for Bitcoin continues to grow. Bitcoin's adoption is on the rise. More merchants are accepting Bitcoin as payment, giving consumers more options to use their digital currency in everyday transactions. Additionally, institutional investors are starting to embrace Bitcoin as an investment asset class, further fueling its mainstream acceptance. Bitcoin is becoming more decentralized. With the advent of technologies like blockchain and peer-to-peer networks, power within the Bitcoin ecosystem is distributed among many participants instead of being concentrated in a few centralized entities. This decentralization enhances transparency and reduces the risk of manipulation or control by any single entity. Fourthly, advancements in technology have made Bitcoin more secure than ever before. Robust encryption techniques protect users' wallets and transactions from potential threats such as hacking or fraud. Furthermore, improvements continue to be made to enhance security measures within exchanges and other platforms that facilitate trading with cryptocurrencies. Lastly, Bitcoin's infrastructure has seen significant improvements over time. From scalability solutions like segregated witness, SegWit, to Lightning Network implementation, efforts have been made to address issues related to transaction speed and cost. These developments make it easier for individuals around the world to participate in using Bitcoins without facing barriers. As we can see, these 5 factors: increasing price, growing adoption rate, decentralization trend alongside improved security measures and infrastructure all point towards one thing: a major turning point for Bitcoin. It's clear that Bitcoin has come a long way since its inception 10 years ago. With each passing day, it becomes more evident that Bitcoin is here to stay as a revolutionary force.